Montreal steak spice. Start. It's really nice, really delicious. Today I am preparing beef stir fry. Nice, delicious beef stir fry. And I want to show you how to make it. My name is Elmarie. Let's get started. So here I have my lovely beef. I already washed it. Nevertheless, I can give it another wash. But I washed it with some vinegar beforehand. This beef, I make sure I get it from the supermarket very thin slice. So I will be cutting it in strips. First, I'll set the pot on to let it get heated. Now I'll cut these in strips. Oh, this knife is so dull. And this is just like a 1/4 pound of beef. The reason for cutting this so thin, it's because it's stir fry. So I want it to cook quick. I'll just put the paper, place the paper underneath the board so I don't have the board sliding, dancing all over the place. You know that can create accident. So now I'll put a little powder seasoning. I'm using now some jerk seasoning, just a small amount. Some all-purpose. Montreal steak spice. It's very good on beef. Now I will massage it a little. So now I marinate the meat. I will set it aside and just prepare the vegetable. The reason for this, guys, I cut the meat very thin, so it's gonna cook like very fast. So it makes sense to prepare the veg ahead of time. First I will beat my garlic. Everything I cook, I try to put garlic in. So now I will just put some water on. So this water now I'm gonna use to blanch like the bok choy and the beans before. For the bok choy, it have dirt most of the time soaked inside of it. So the best thing to do is to put it in some water, like even overnight, so the dirt will soak out of the vegetable. And then you give it another wash. So I'll just cut it like this, clean inside. Beans, I love to cut it down the middle like that. And this is just my preference. So now I chop all the vegetables that I'm going to be using. Now I can start stir frying the meat. I'll cut this just to make some garnish. And I'll stick it in some water. This is too small. Start cooking, guys, very fast because the meat is this thin, very thin. I'll cover it and leave it there for about 30 seconds and then I will start cooking the noodles and also blanch the vegetable. But first I will cook the noodles. So I'll just dip a little bit of salt in the noodles, just a pinch of salt. Finish blanching the noodle now so I can turn it off because it's gonna go through another cooking process. So I don't want to cook it all the way through here because it's gonna be too soggy, right? So now I will start blanching the veg. I'll put the carrot first. Then I'll put the broccoli and the beans. Oh no, I have some snow peas I'm going to use as well. I'll give it a wash. I like to nip the bottom of it. Don't have to, but you know. Now I'll add these to the hot water. I will drain the excess water from the noodle. Now I'll add the garlic and the chopped onion. Also my Scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a stir. Now I will add the bell peppers. I remove the vegetable, I'll just drain them. First I will turn the stove down a little bit, too much of a high flame, no good. First I will add the noodles. I will add some sesame oil, not a lot. Then I will add some veggie sauce. This one is very nice, like very, very nice. Now I'll add some soy sauce. There you have it, guys. Finished product, beef stir fry. Quick and easy, delicious meat. I hope you all enjoy watching this video as much as I find pleasure in cooking it. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Again, thanks for watching. Let's taste. Guys, usually this meal you use a chopstick. No, I don't have chopstick. Much more how to use it. I don't even know how to use it. So I will be using my fork. So first I will taste the beef. Guys, it's really nice, really delicious. Quick and easy. And as you can see on top there, I sprinkle some sesame seeds. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.